I wanted to start today by sharing a quote with you. This quote is by a very famous man that you all know. His name was Charles Darwin. His quote goes the next way. It goes, "It is not the strongest of fishes that survive, nor the most smartest, but the ones that are able to adapt to change." I really like this quote because I feel like it really reflects what I have done throughout my life. I don't feel like I have ever been the smartest or most capable in the room at every time, but I feel like I have always been able to adapt very well to every situation that I faced, every adversity and every difficulty, and that's what has brought me here today. So, hello everyone, my name is Juan Zapata. I'm an international business student at Baruch College. I am originally from Colombia. I moved here 3 years ago, and ever since I've just been trying to get my career going in international marketing. And the way I'm doing this is actually by doing internships. I did my first internship last semester with a small startup. And actually, funny enough, I didn't really know that I wanted to do marketing, international marketing, until last semester. After I did my internship, I realized, I really like traveling, I really like different cultures, I like marketing, so all those three together, put it together, you get international marketing. And within international marketing, I would like to go into either global branding or global distribution, which are not very related as they are, but I like them because of the simple fact that they both allow you to travel and interact with different people, which is ultimately what I really want in marketing. And yeah, aside from that, right now I'm actually joining a fellowship next month called Streetwise, where I will be having a mentor and I will be doing different activities with them where they will help me hopefully get internships at the end of the process. And I'm actually also doing an externship at this moment where for 1 month we're working with a small business in developing a marketing plan for them for the next year. And aside from that, I wanted to share the innovation within my industry over the last few years. As you know, marketing has gone from a more business approach where we just want to sell and we just want to get revenue, to a more people approach, a more nature approach where we want to save the planet, we want to do things for the people, we want to give back. And so this is known as ethical marketing, and it's also known as sustainability. So these two together are what's known as an effort within marketing and other areas of business to essentially give back to the communities and to the planet. And so a lot of corporations and different companies like Tesla, Unilever, Uniqlo, and Patagonia, to just name some examples, they are now having more greener business plans and greener plans for their different business ideas that they carry out. And the reason why this has become so big is because, as you know, people nowadays, we really like to think about what we are going to do with the planet, how we're going to help it, how we're going to help other people. And yeah, I think that this is a real big change. I could have talked about AI, but I felt like everybody was going to do that, so I just wanted to do something different. And yeah, so before I finish, I just want to thank you for your time, and I hope that, going back to my original quote, that you don't always have to be the smartest or the most capable. As long as you can adapt to your own problems and your situations, you should be able to be just fine. Thank you.